Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to find Windows 10 product key. Finding your Windows 10 product key is essential for tasks like reinstalling Windows, upgrading hardware or seeking technical support. So let's start the video. On Windows search bar, type regedit and from the search results click to open Registry Editor app. In the left sidebar, click on H key local machine. Then click on software. And now click on Microsoft. Now search for Windows NT and click on it. So click on Windows NT and then click on current version. In current version, look for software protection platform. So click on Software Protection Platform. On the right panel, you will see the field BackupProductKeyDefault. This is your Windows 10 product key. So that's how to find product key for Windows 10. Thanks for watching.